This is a program of finding the Fibonacci series. First of all, we have to take the limit, enter the limit, and input, enter the limit. Limit is stored in the n variable. N is the integer variable. Now, we have to assign a variable a as -1 and b as 1. These are integer variables. Now for I in range 1 comma n plus 1 in up to n, then colon. Then c is a variable, c equal to a plus b. Then we have to change the value, print c. Then first of all we have to print the value, print c and equal to double quote, I mean space, then a equal to b, exchange the value, b equal to c, and end of the program. Now before printing the Fibonacci series, just print the message Fibonacci series is. Now run the program. Enter the limit. Suppose the limit is